Ebisa krobia sante kotokoni ba opemso enana ya santo be de akiri Afia Schwarzenegger wodna no beto ensem a ekos mountain so manfo tirim se Otumfuo efiri amana ne ba onko boko na mentima sabeda boko no onko fa yentu na asumdwe emra no Afia Schwarzenegger use Otumfuo enko boko lalai se ne pa masue emaso Afia Schwarzenegger tirim se emaso se nana opemso na se tutu the god on earth ebetu na se efiri kumasi manhia yimfie ese okoboko akopa asumdwe na wode na sikadwa abeka entam kese pa egu na nazes na nim no tu na si boko pa de a eni sikadwa eni nana eni asma Afia Schwarzenegger aircan in fact eni so in this video mo ahwe ensem okan ye na wa kire wadwen amam e wo comment section aha Penyah block media meso say eni demo obe like video da no obo subscribe button na so na be click notification icon of latest update na ba kire wadwen de amam e wo comment section meta so baswa no share video amam ya so enya bi ahwe. It is all follow Penyah Blog Media channel now for the whole of last week. I've been giving you updates back to back on the issue of Bawku. Emma Matro said Bawku and Semono. Mentimans have the man prusi any kusas for. Omunano kusas any man prusi. Omatana Bawku Krunuma Chepe. I may say Rubia Pesua Teresa assassin belonging to them. Almost no see a pohenia, almost a sefata set. Obia tribe or henny a bit my peer free. Enti assembly nana say Bawku na Bawku Yabeton. Ye problem betna Bawku the overlord of Bawku territory. No be ye Bawku na aba. Me prison for honum na etre se was omo hene ye Abdullah Mahama. And also kwatena Bawku na aba kunya kese so. No be the overlord of Bawku. Kusa the first person mtre se ye Zukran na aba azigre. Ono na was ono so ebetena Bawku akunya kese so. No be ye Bawku na aba the overlord of Bawku. Asem na ni element mu ase abeda se abrebre nyina de entokwa kusase ene mamprisifo hwan na etiase ama no yonko ehene akotena Bawku akunya kese so asem na ani ade da bia de mentim ase abaho antokwa pipe ni ade ade se etu a edi ahim ho no no amafo ko bi ta kwa che se ntitu pa no nya ne M16 AK40 che se power machine kwa na ho no mo masa power machines kwa na ho no ma police station ko ho no mo o ma bubu na hye no
Okufo o ma shi police down. I swear this is where the police are staying in Bawku. They burn it. They burn the police. The police, this embarrass. This Bawku. This is happening here in Bawku. They are burning the police barracks. Yes. They are burning the police barracks. Oh, Chibarno.
I just say here police station crowd hold mo bi Mahama Ayarga MP for Bawku if you omation almost any warning to him says we need no tuna see Bawku ho no mo a de om de be ye no oye Bawku nsensem na dia won go fu 2025 we nyina ne say ye be ka 2024 during campaign time Mahama cancel no de tu Bawku for trim de show mo say so mo to aba ne mamia me ba me make sure say me de asumdwe e ba Bawku ho no mo
our president talked about, and I think that it's unfortunate that this crisis has reared its head again. At the time we were in office, we had virtually calmed things. Bawku was a thriving community again. People were going about their business without fear of being harmed. Unfortunately now, you cannot roam freely in Bawku. Just recently I was reading they have put the ban on riding motorcycles again in the evening, and generally it's a period of insecurity for the people living in that area. In the night, buses are fired upon and people are killed. Sometimes when the buses are going from Bawku down, they are waylaid on the Bolga-Tamale highway, and some unknown people fire shots into the bus and injure people. These are things that we're going to make a priority when we come. We have done it before, we'll do it again. We will work hard to resolve the Bawku crisis and bring peace back to Bawku and surrounding areas. The second aspect of the insecurity is armed robbery. Armed robbery has become a major problem here, and it's affecting the economy of the Upper East region. You go to market days, you are coming back, armed robbers set on you, and they rob the people. We're going to mount a very strong fight against armed robbery, because you cannot have economic progress. You can't have economic progress in an environment of insecurity, and so it's imperative that we make sure that our region is safe and secure so that people can go about their businesses without fear. There's no chieftaincy conflict in Bawku. There cannot be two kings in one kingdom. Every government recognizes that the overlord of Bawku is Naba Abugago Asigri II. And that's why I say there's no conflict, no chieftaincy conflict. And so peace in Bawku is going to be my priority when I become president. And all of you know that when NDC comes, there will be peace in Bawku. Anytime NDC is in government, Bawku is at peace. Unfortunately, as soon as NDC leaves government, the Bawku crisis flares up again. And let nobody say it's a fight between ethnic groups. There is politics behind it. And there are people who deliberately fund that crisis. Everybody, the majority of people in Bawku, Kusasis, Mamprusis, Bimubas, Busangas, everybody wants peace. Because everybody wants peace to do his business. I mean, the current curfew in which we are, nobody likes it. Our chiefs are being told they can't wear smocks and go into town. So what is a chief supposed to wear? A shirt like me? How would they know he's a chief? And yet, it's because of the violence and the crisis. And they were forced to do it because people hide weapons in their smokes and go and shoot at people. But I can assure you that peace is our priority. When NDC comes, and I didn't say if, I said when NDC comes, we're going to prioritize Bawku's peace so that peace will return to Bawku and people can go about their business and look after their families.
Emma small kind, in fact, a Bawku for you to have Bawku about to require MPP and we need seat by our crowd. Omunina to a bunny boom, Edma Mahama visit Omo passing. But Mahama by Omu Sasrasa Omu Edama Omu Crabby video say Omu here politician Bia or Hop.
On man and Sasso, a binding to me swap, or the son and crop phone call, no Mundam policy and Kusati, not so Munshet of Corona, Bay, and not alien. They can be militaries in New Crowway. I can buy now. I am military one day to see it. The abandoned to Amuja 3 days to begin all the sun in Nippon, no crop phone, so just for the free uncle, so just for the Kodija mom. So they need to meet Fagana must go. I could need your 1,000. So they need to make water salad, cabbage, I took war, you are some you are not in Kokumasi. And you have me Busa said, you are talking about free Bawku Kokumasi. And you know, Koduni free buyer. It's in your money, Yano. Woman, you are more said, your basa, Yanamu Beku, no Yambasa Yabata, not for you, Mampusu for the sin chain, not a woman in the first scene. So, son of Penny, dear. Sana you ever come. Say open boot to boot, I ever on boot to boot. Open man to man, I ever on man to man. Open woman to woman now.
politician muntimi so obi a munyina mo foma asem nko omunya politician bia wo ho emu na omu ka se omuhia otumfuo so otumfuo na me make peace e wo ho no mo
made to a President John Dramani Mahama one who ye mobbo yesu ye senka on bra no meboa ye no meti yesu frɛ na so asa John Mama ba ye wo ye yinani amaye yesire no ye ye mobbo bebi anokra ni wo bia wo mo hwe nyame no mo fa nokra ni ntu bebi e wo se da yesan so suko Otumfuo so wo kira ye se ahemfo mienu entimi ntina ko ba ko so mesire mi pusa bebi a woti wo bi bedi hini e ka na hindie ne ho a ebetimi ayeye saa enti yesire wo mo ye hia justice moto nchi yenko bebi amma e-bike enyo obi a ne benya 5,000 6,000 apaki ni moto ato no akoto e-bike nti yesire ya yemmo kefi hours na ye escort cars imagine 3 days today so just 4 pass abun bewu minim ye see it was around 2 o'clock saa be pen 6 omo fa ye fa misiga border ebe pie river bi wo ye fie le omo gina miami fiti etututuo ebo boys no ye ma na ye wo honom no mo mama won short say mo ko inside mo anko ebe shoot mu nti ntokwa na mba na ye ku bia na ana ntokwa na ye fie no mo ko.
Each and every citizen of Ghana, Bawku, should lay down on his gun down, peaceful, and will look at and we should listen to Otumfuo or say to what he will bring it out. Politicians should go out from these issues. In fact, Otumfuo or say to we have the belief on him. When he come and declare it is for Team A, we are going to follow for Team A. When he come and declare it is Team B, we are going to follow for Team B. But gun cannot solve problems. Yes. Gun cannot solve problems. And we want to ensure and tell the whole nation that we can use gun, but we respect our elders. We have opportunity to sit with our elders. That a child who washes his hands clean, sit and eat with the elders. Exactly. So we are telling the nation that what they are doing, it isn't that we cannot do it. We can do it 100% of more than that. Thank you very much. And
Bawku na chirimu se omuhi Otumfuo ko na nankwan ba ana sumdwe ba efi se IGP onu kura call ya no ana ka okoma sumdwe ba o ka se o mumfa mutuo ni ho na mutuo ni ho no ma me ba me madwuma aye mutuo ni ho no mo a me fa mu nyina police fo
of the Republic of Ghana. I bring you greetings from the Interior Minister. I bring you greetings from Defense Minister and the greetings from the majority leader in Parliament, who is the son of this area. I had a lot of consultation with them before coming here. We are here, police, military, and other security services here to provide security to Bawku. Some of us, we have been here in the years past. We know Bawku. Bawku is an area where every security officer would like to come and work here before finally he goes on retirement. Today, some of us who saw that, we are not happy with what it is today. It is our prayer the Almighty God will bring the same glory of Bawku back. I've come here to come and work together with you and also to ensure that our men that we bring here, they work according to the mandate. I've seen a lot of things that have been written on the placards, and we are going to work towards it. We are going to make sure that your concerns as you have shown on your placards, we are going to work according to it. We want everything that is worrying the people in this area about we the security over here. Let us know. Just put your grievances to the overlord and they will receive it. And we will make sure that we will correct those things urgently. Just forgive us. We have provided security in many other countries. Our duty is to be neutral. And to the best of we, the leaders in Accra,
anto masum engo mu bu na kunani omusa to ne ka nyina atu.
Zo pesanso. Wa. Boy. Wa. Wa kan ni na. Yeah. Hina mu.
Emuno anajese Mahama at the 63rd graduation of the Ghana Academy. Mahama ko kan ho say, okay, Otumfuo from Ananeba, so Otumfuo wa control me. So obefia or then the transmission my plan as Otumfuo akọ solve Bawku problem
rather than retrogress it. Let me reiterate that we will take all allegations of crime seriously and trigger our security service investigative machinery to go after criminals no matter who they are. But let me state emphatically also that we do not have the resources and time to engage in any game of smoke and mirrors. The Ghana Armed Forces is engaged in several theaters to maintain peace and security in our nation. One major flashpoint continues to be the Bawku area. Only 2 days ago, an incident in a marketplace triggered an unfortunate loss of lives and criminal vandalism of property. I wish to emphasize that nobody gains from this situation of conflict and insecurity. We have triggered the Otumfuo mediation process, which saw all stakeholders participate in discussions in Kumasi on a roadmap towards peace. I'm assured by the Asantehene that the process will resume next week when he returns from his brief visit abroad. Congratulations to our armed forces for the sacrifices you have made, even at the peril of your lives, to protect life and property in the Bawku conflict area. We need the cooperation of all to restore peace in Bawku and its environs. And I entreat all sides to embrace peace as we dialogue to resolve this age-old dispute. The distinguished guest plans...
no, meanwhile, Mahama nkwa na share Bawkufoɔ ne boss obe solve problem. Kwanfo Otumfuo di amembe. That's my kind and on bro video I say na lawyer Morris Ampa o chirem say na any die mu a aduwe na NDC for na ka say be mu akọ Bawku ho no fidie no mo sum na tena wo ba bi.
To the sense say the military ko ho anye yie. IGP akọ ho ya stone no. Mr. Erana baako pe Otumfuo na no say tutu piao. Na ukasa etie na yemu bi wa ya respect wo wagidin me say nana Otumfuo memfa ho kofrafra Bawku crisis no memma NDC for nya wojo because omoto Kebitela empa santifo asem empe na watem NDC pretend as if omo someone to be solve more crisis now. The political mess our creative war insecurity creative na men for when you nyam kutaso.
The president in Wentima go solve ya enya wo na abeko. Others IGP go akọ ya tunutu etina na ni die ma tina wo ba bi. Na sema Lamos Ampa eka no. Eka me say ebia na Afia Schwarzenegger so eka. Afia Schwarzenegger chirem say nana eye fidie kase asante for ya branding to kwa de bia ku ni media na so na we nko de yesere wada tina oba bi twe ho firi bɔko nsensem no mu no man ko masem na so onim na usuo no de dem bidisi kadwa kofi e kan tambu so
this for ya mano kuobia. They have always wanted to disrespect you. In fact, they pay people to disrespect you. Nana, NDC, they pay people to disrespect you. Otumfuo said to do. Because if not, why can Kevin Taylor be disrespecting you and Ibrahim Mahama is not saying anything? Even though Ibrahim Mahama is the financier of Kevin Taylor. Where you penny? I can't say asam so. Your man do say asante ahini no de beba fo. Omo begu ani mo ase. Me say NDC amanyokwa they have always disrespected you. Whether you know it or not, Otumfuo, Nana me body sorry. Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Mahama. They told me themselves Kevin Taylor is being financed by Ibrahim Mahama. Why is Kevin Taylor disrespecting you? And Ibrahim Mahama and John Mahama have not said anything. Now, I'm going to say, Otumfuo, Asantufo yaku social media yabre. Yabre. Who is supplying them ammunitions? Who is supplying them ammunitions? Machine guns no mukrano. Why na dey ma womo? Anything I may start in the catch or say, ya two about MPP na zero. MPP ni bi any boko. All their constituencies, MPP recorded zero. MPP ni bi any boko. Politicians now they talk to you because if they come together, they will develop the country. If they are not together, they can do their shit. Nana said to me to from Ahine Mabuko to do with him and go fast and say my and from Kochuchu said binim. Now we'll be on to Abama. Now said to King Solomon in the Bible, and that's a beyond on the Bible with you. They want to embarrass you. They want to drag you in the mess. They want to drag you in the mess. In the mess that Mahama Yaraga, Akotine Semwa will create here. Otumfuo, Asantefo ya bre. Emo bia fa unkochuchu say binimo. Na ndisi fo wa di die de mawa. En Kevin Taylor onto wo sese wo nkwasea sabi manu tu so mena so. En ka wonte wo sese wo nkwasea. We want peace. We want peace. We want peace. We don't need shit from anybody. Ya peso bia besadu wani wa ba ya phone. Esremu to come start yenene. And the politicians who are watching. Mama medani asem ni hu so. Say this when ni die bi the mawa. On top of us way, and Kevin Taylor ko eja watem didie because Ibrahim Mahama and the finance no. Yes. Yes. Rafik Mahama na kachira me, Rafik Mahama and a kachira me. Everything that is going on is NDC machinery. Because one phone call, Ibrahim Mahama can call Kevin to respect you, but he will not do that. Na say, omo kwa na fo akwa hunu nsuo a, omo metifi emma bebusa wo. Na ne, mensa gumachi. Mitimi nya wani grant ne mensa. Enso o se be express me ho. Otumfuo dwene wo ho. Jina asante mai ho ya breni yoka yeke omo betu aba no bridge to na the minister so me no ba besia na hwene tafu sa articulator onu kwa didi watem na ne jina wo ho won ne wo ho a jina asante mai ho asem odiafo anu kotum Afuano kotu. Bawku wamu na mo mutu so mo fanko. Your guns, machine guns a busire mu no. Me dey sure say be police headquarters. Why na instigate wo? Na yo so mo ya ba wumia. Amo che ammunition su kogu ano. Na yo so mo ya ba wumia. What shall we bat them the no the dear one so for atem wi a odi bedi watem. Mahama yanga Bawku force me kancho so we bema na what we ba ukro. Bawku youth no almost say me kancho say we bema Mahama yanga who's on to go ukro. Almost say na what you do bema for when you be shade na sha say anya by election. Bawku youth na kancho me almost say me kancho so we bema. If you think you are a man, one chrome with your braho, na chance of Busumi way, ya never election. Otumfuo, ya part sound. Nana, ya dog. Ya dear no. Ya phone ya make us because ye nyanko pono. Nyanko pon tia so. One na say two. Yes, row. Asantama ya part chow. Man pruseni Bawku form talk idea. Man emparo. Mani tramunko. They want to rob you in that foolishness and blame you. They want to rob you in it. Omo chwo de wako. Oche wo hua no masako mo mutuo no ma ye de chance na ya be fo wa hinye na twitwi binimu. Me de onyame din pa chaw. Asantefo nyina adwene na me ka kire wo neno. Nana ya strong. I'm free your madden say, and this for free your madden so bad disrespect Ashanti Kingdom. And then neck. And then no nene. Nana, yes, strong. Asantefo yen sagu yen sayem. Yes, why? Kruwa we manen parawai. E parawa BBNC. BBNC. Are you ready to Obu Constantine bi wosimana? Enter for no match or moon or moko. Then what for Otumfuo ben? Otumfuo, please. Nana ya pacho. I am speaking on behalf of the Ashanti youth. Nana, don't get involved in this dirty political instigated war. People of Bawku, I want to speak those in English so that somebody will interpret it for you. The politicians are citing you people against yourselves so that there will be no development in the country, in that region. Have you seen that there is no fucking development in Bawku? And let me tell you, the recruitment they promise you, it won't happen. Because we will not allow the police to employ criminals. Running about shooting people in unlicensed gun, you are a criminal. That's a crime. Criminals are not recruited to police. Hell no. The politicians are using you people against yourselves. Because it is your brothers and sisters you are killing. You are not killing anybody in the Ashanti region. You are not killing anybody in the Central region. You are killing yourselves. Do you think we care? You people should sit down and be wise. So that development will come into your villages and your cities. Bawku is the worst, the least developed region in Ghana. Ask yourself why. What do you get from this? Obi kwetu a woko Bawku wo so kwa onim di akoso. Boya wonta ada mo njimi, yesi e famo. Otumfuo ya sraw. Ya ankasa Otumfuo, ye ka o ankasa wo ayi sikadantam kase eguso. Na na setu ye ka sikadantam kase eguso so. E fa wanu nkoto sa asem mu. E fa wanu nkoto sa asem na afese ne obetra se akase afia kan ye. E mo medada. E fa wani mu nkoya from. Say this for buwa. Kevintela won did water. And this for buwa Kevintela won did water. Me se wa fake Mahama or ye do Mahama mu nya ketwa. On na da jata cement on na da no. On na ka kire me say, "Oh, Ibrahim is sorting Kevin. Don't worry, Ibrahim Mahama is the one financing Kevintela." And we have seen the respect Traffic man want to catch me when he came. Now me to the came, let me call this guy. Also, Kevin, Ibrahim is sorting him. Ibrahim is doing everything. So if Ibrahim Mahama is financing Kevin Taylor, and Kevin Taylor is suspecting you will do for, and I send back no matter because you pay obi the channel. You pay obi the channel. On the channel now do any year. On the show be any year. You pay obi the channel. Otumfuo, you are not going there because so far I ain't in a baby when in any view. Me catch them. And young coupon no. And it's all so won't say we na me kesia. Papa Transinada. Why won't I copy Bawku for boys no? Momo say mama yanga so call Bawku na dia bokoye. In any case, almost more train woman. Bawku the Bawku youth. Almost say me catch mama yanga say, where dear, Afia Schwarzenegger na what you woman crew. If you mind the copy Friday, Mama Yaga, call Chrome, you call Chrome, call Bawku, Mama Yaga, call Bawku, come here, call. Onyame call boss when the assassin, one my terms and conditions. Also, would change the body dear, Ubenankwa. Not just a 1 year in a body in the year, you are not his problem. What's it? Nyakumo Krano, are my terms and conditions. Sir, what change the virginity and Benankwa? That's a 1 year and year won't count. Otumfuo, you didn't come to solve all problems, and you can't even solve tribal war. Maybe I thought that woman. What a posase. And I coach match, your coach my interpreting. Papa, Snaw baby, why? Asante for your bread, your brainy and tea, boo, brainy attended dear, your brainy said, I see Bibia sorry, and I may I surround Nana. I will come a kind of doom for come a kind, what you will come a kind. My boy, answer no. Or sit on one assassin. Yan Toma will be on top. Tell me, be what assassin was Santamambo. According to that, said Reno. Tani be any assassin was Santamambo. Zongo assassin and Toma will be a. And to say, I will say, Mama Chichu Kura, Monche shirts, Samate. Mubadi power pa. Walk on high than the fear when you if you're running the bush for a change up here. Now we just train Cantiano. As I tell for him, say, Zongo assassin on farmer will be a. In fact, said Yamino. I can't hear right as long, baby. I'm wanting to know why I'm on Pozongo. Yeah, try a baby bay development. I want you to be and Yakubu. One won't quasi a phone, won't come chrome. One won't quasi a phone, won't come chrome. As I tell my pong, and then tough for this. You test the baby. I'm my home. As I tell my pong, and yet Sunny be at the Sunny be and you first Santa Mampong. Sunny or Sunny be and you. I will first Santa Mampong. Mean to me free water in the neck, and to me free watch now. I am simple. Mason to come on from Chrome. Said I can and 1 year can Santa Mampong anyhow. Now, I'm for the engineers almost so. Yes, almost because ye hear Tataya Mona Mobetai. Mampong for your bedroom. Ye hear Tataya, he'll be a crocodile. And I dance a break, and since you to be a super matter say. Mampong was I say, young Tom Martinibia. Zongo wana boteno moti wasi ye humu mobo e ma yasun tese de na no kwase de na mo ye boye biem samo na mo be kire nipa obedi MC e wo Asante Mampong mo share ma bo badam mo kwase afo Asante onya Asante Mampong this year if you are there as a slave you are there as a slave you onya this year won't be me this year da Mampong akunya bia meto me fa matani da. Mampong akunya bia meto me fa matani da. Put it in your head. Someone genius. As Asante for we are so lenient and so entertaining that obia betna Asante mema o feel comfortable I say o person take one step above. What shall what? Ade ya yenko pamoesta. Nyemfa Yakubu bra fa wano na ade boy Yakubu no fa kobo na ntwibini mu asia wate wo yankwa asiafo you've entertained stupidity for so long wo jare wate mo jare chata ye ne power party wasetna ye de ewo MC konsiram kokrom ni match intelligence There are so many wise, intelligent people in the north. Go to the north. Never say a conversation with you, Baba Moana. Go to your fucking city. Go to your hometown. Asante Mampo is not your fucking hometown. Say what Jinia and Timoneso. Say, oh, Shia, both political parties. Now I want him. Men try my want him, men want him more. And calling the Asante Mampo Nenta for Jesu. You test Asante Mampo and Nenta for Jesu. Dear Moya, dear Monta for Moko Mokoyeno. Mom says Asante Mampo ni baby no account. Anti people are shame. Mom say Asante Mampo ni baby. Ekaneka, Papa Penny no Bubudia. What you want about Jimmy Coco? As a politician, independent, Shiny Penny Munganjas and Yoyan Moasem. What's that? What's that? And now Yakubu am I am Pena poor Yakubu no flame. Was Siano Wate? Jimmy Fong was Siafua, ye probia ko Jimmy among your fam. Was see any moon? Was see I say Yakubu no? Quiet short list. Now I'm short list in tough for a boa water. Was Jare was Siafua. Now Santa for agent Tima a tracer came on with that. And I say, and Kabokun Tokwe, now Santa for yam penny and pet won't be that. And there was Siasamono. And there was Mamma so, Mamma so tasso, now bedani bini. Yan so tasso, now Danny bini. Me as a training on a catchamo. Yan so tasso, now Danny bini. 10 Yako now was Santa Mampong, or 10 Iba, or Nyakona, I was Santa Mampo. Fatu Timu, Mokwasi Adeno. Ungovernable. Mujimi na modete bokona, madane ho ungovernable no. Ah modeba yaya so no. Muni chasili. Tani bien fa sante mapon. Kadimeti, tani bien fa sante mapon. Kabiem or tani bien fa sante mapon. The chato or tani bien fa sante mapon. Therefore, tani ni akonya wa sante mapon. Or tani bien ni akonya e wa sante mapon. Sakwabna bo achibidi assemblyman e osirema. Monsoma no nomra. Go and develop your hometown and stop fighting over developed hometowns. Kwasiafo, mokasi eti asante mapo odi kwasiasem na mudina and ka krona be yakuro ama mo peteni am na be MC. Mama bi twem ne nya ya buta akam. And kwasiasem sa na mode ayemu kro ungovernable. And kwasiade sa and the sirem ho mutna wa enyi. Akwasiade santi na mutena sirem enyi. Sa akwasiasem na moye no. Se mo ba santi mampo no. Sa ne ene mutena ya. Enka mutimi tena ho. Kwasia wate. Na NDC fo enyan ya boboduam. Asante mampo ne ato ma NDC na MPP. Mo jare wate. Kwasia fo. Antelenda. Na trawo baby na dwene ho. Trawo baby. Ote kokoswo tinawo baby your royal highness tinawo baby yes asante man yes roni dimbo yes roni yoka ye adoso tinawo baby
Afia Schwarzenegger can dey in fact any super ye it is not say na osi hu no Afia Schwarzenegger can does it make any sense and I say sabi okaboti me can say tell you mama e comment section I have Penyah Block Media